Apple's latest iPhone 7 models sport two new color finish options, a solid matte black and a high gloss jet black. Both appear to be in high demand, so if you're on the fence, or in line, we've taken some photos and videos highlighting the differences, including their almost invisible new seam lines, Apple's enhanced leather case options and the new Lightning headphones. The new black and jet black, above, options are front to back black with nearly invisible black seams that join the top and bottom to the middle, allowing radio signals through the aluminum case. While visible in the image above, due to purposely exaggerated lighting, in real life the repositioned seams are hard to see at all on either black model. The other finish options for the new iPhone 7 models, silver, gold, and rose gold, use the same, more discreet end cap seam placement compared to the previous tighty-whitey underwear lines of the 6 and SIXS, but their seam lines pop out more than the two black versions because they use a contrasting seam color. The new silver iPhone 7 sports lighter gray seams, compared to previous 6/6S models' darker gray contrast seams, and both the gold and rose gold versions have white seams. All three non-black options have a white bezel on the front, where both blacks have identical black fronts. Two blacks, two boxes. Apple ships the matte black in a white box, while the jet black model comes in a unique black box. Rather than being shrink-wrapped in cellophane, both boxes have an easy peel wrapping that slips off with a tug on their green tab, as if unwrapping a gift package by pulling on its ribbon. Black is half jet black. If you're torn between the two black options, keep in mind that the matte black is essentially jet black on the front. In fact, the jet black finish essentially makes the rear virtually identical to the front, apart from the fact that it doesn't have a display. It also feels the same, like full glossy glass. In fact, there is only a slight difference in feel between the rear sides of the ultra-glossy jet black and matte black. Counterintuitively, the matte black is actually ever so slightly less grippy than the polished jet black. Outside of jet black, all of the new iPhone 7 finish colors feel the same as earlier iPhone 6/6S models. Their polished aluminum backs don't slip out of your hand, but do feel slick like chrome. The jet black finish is even more slick, but actually feels grippier, the way a glass surface grabs the oils on your hand and smears your skin to a stop. Compare the skin resistance feel of the front and back of an iPhone 6/6S, their back feels like the new black. Their glass front feels like the new jet black. If you still use an iPhone 5/5S, or the new SE, these models all have a slightly less polished metal back. The range
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night.